Hello, everyone, and welcome to my Exam 3 recap video. I was just looking, I have in the background here the Exam 2 scores, and it looks like overall this exam was harder than Exam 2. This is closer to kind of the Exam 1 averages that we had here. But despite that, I'm not exactly sure what to credit this to, but these averages, the overall course averages seem to be still going up as far as I can tell. So we now are over 3.5, at least for these folks. There has been some, movement between the groups, which kind of this was at 119 and this has gone down to 93 here in those folks who are doing less than 50% of web work. So that's good. Looks like some of those folks have climbed out and are, kind of in at least this category, maybe the next one. But we've also lost some folks, right? There used to be 510 in this last category who had 90% plus in the web work, and that's gone down a bit. And so that's a little bit disappointing. But you can see that those who are remaining in this group have an outstanding course average with, over a 3.5 there. So, great job there. But yeah, the course average seems to be up from the last exam. My best guess on why this is the case is that we now have kind of the majority of our extra credit stuff accounted for in our grade book. This includes the full 15% added to the web work homework. This includes the full 15% added to participation and attendance. This includes the 3 dropped quizzes. And so all of those things are probably helping out this course average and whatnot. Of course, we still have some more homework. We still have some more quizzes. We still have some more attendance and participation. So, I mean, don't let your guard down. I think that these scores right here are probably higher than what they will be at the end of the semester just because we have those more items. So do, keep your guard up and everything. But right now, yeah, it's looking great. Few extra things, right? The only extra credit that's not being accounted for right now is that we will have a end of the course survey. Remember these, we had an initial course survey and then we'll have a post course survey or something like that. Those two will kind of account for all rounding. So these are kind of the roundup surveys. So together, I believe they make 1%. So if you do them both and you're very close to the next grade threshold, they will round you up beyond that, but there isn't any additional rounding beyond that. So please make sure you do those. And then there will also be an exam drop and it gets replaced with the final exam. So once we have those final exam scores and everything, we'll be able to see what replacements need to be made. Remember, this only happens if it helps your score though. So if you end up doing worse on the final exam than you did on your worst midterm exam, then nothing happens, right? There's no drop in that case. So it's a positive thing. So, all right. Well, again, good job overall and good luck out there. Hopefully chapter 10 treats you a little bit nicer than chapter 11. I think on average, students, looking back on this would say chapter 10 is a little bit nicer. So hopefully that's the case for you and you finish off this course strong. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.